So today I've made my version of Shakshouka. It's a Spanish recipe. It's eggs and tomato sauce. But I added Italian sausage and bacon. Bacon because I'm Canadian, Italian sausage because I love Italian sausage. So I'm just going to show you the last part of what I'm going to do. So I've already made the tomato sauce with the sausages. Now I'm going to cut up some fresh basil, add the eggs, lid it, and let the eggs cook on top of the sauce. So let's get to it. First we chiffonade the basil by rolling it up and thinly slicing it to nice thin strips. This is going to add a nice fresh and sweet flavor to it. It does have mild Italian sausage in it, so that's going to go really well with that. Now I'm going to crack three eggs into this pan. Now we lid it and we let the eggs cook, and then the dish is done. Had a little shell there. Don't worry, I got it. We'll give you a look. Eggs are now cooking in the sauce beautifully, and we'll let that finish. You gotta lid it so it cooks like a basted egg. You know what I mean? And then you just scoop it right out of the sauce beautifully with a spoon. You can serve it on rice. I'm more of a carnivore keto person, so I'm just gonna eat the meat and the eggs and the tomato sauce, and I'm gonna love it. If you want to see me make this full dish, just leave a comment and I'll do the whole thing for you. I'll do it from scratch. I'll make the tomato sauce and the sausages and the bacon and everything. If you want this exact one or you want the vegetarian one, just leave a comment and let me know. Now we're getting somewhere with the eggs. They're getting close. My son and I are gonna gobble almost all of this up. Right, buddy? Yep. See where we are here. You see the eggs are becoming basted. You see the white? Very nice. I'm going to finish this with a little bit of chopped parsley. Nice little sprinkle for the boy and I. Look at that. Eggs are done. Turn that off. Look at how beautiful that is. I'll plate one for you. Get under that. Get that tomato sauce all around it. Surround it with tomato sauce. Because I'm a meat guy, there's a lot of meat in there. Beautiful. Finish it with a little. Isn't that nice? Beautiful dish. I'm going to enjoy this. Cheers. We're going to eat it now.